So good morning again, and guys, let me start the demo class. And this is a Power BI class and Power BI demo class. There are two demo classes. First demo today, so the first demo yesterday, and second demo today. And in the first demo, I explain introduction part and what we provide. Know your trainer, institute, and providing. This I covered in the first demo. 15 minutes and 45 minutes I spent time for Power BI definitions, data storage formats, reporting, data engineering, data analysis, data science, etc. information. And I'm not covering this part now, but just giving a synapse today for 10 minutes. Later we go to a fresh practical part. Sir, is there any dependency? No dependency with yesterday's session. Yesterday's session is different and today's session is different. The people who join today fresh and they can directly go with today's part and don't feel yesterday I missed it. I will share both the videos on the provided email ID and mobile number. Both the videos will provide you. And well-planned demo content. So knowing about your environment, the providings, and now practical operations in the Power BI. So firstly, I explain the introduction part. My name is Vinay and my mobile number is this. And thank you. More than 5 people called me yesterday for different doubts. More than 5 people. Really appreciate it, guys. Some people curious about their career. Yes, so nice to hear. So also you can call me on this number for your questions, queries, etc. in these timings. I'm a senior lead consultant and base training is basics to advanced. I said very clearly. And duration 50 to 60 hours. And daily 1 hour is the training. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. So this 1 hour is sufficient and learn all the classes so that you will be confident to work in any Power BI project. See, this course is designed to cover the complete subject or maximum subject instead of saying complete and real-time working purpose, interview suitable purpose. If you're preparing for certification, 70 to 80% will be covered. In worst scenario, you can generate your own reports. Such a depth content, not the basics, not 15, 20 hours. You are eligible for all sorts of opportunities after this training. General questions. Who is eligible to learn? Any graduate eligible to learn the course? And what type of component it is? It is a low code component. No need to write much code. It's purely a low code component. And is there any prerequisite to learn the course? No prerequisite. But Excel or SQL knowledge is added advantage for you. And Monday to Friday compulsory classes. And class mode online, offline, both available. And practical assistance, yes. We will provide you contact numbers. And you can reach out for the practical doubts, questions, installation part, etc. So this is about training details and what we provide. I showed you very in detail about this daily live class video. Whether you attend or not, no matter, irrespective of your attendance, you receive daily live class video for with 2 years access. Sequentially, 1, 2, 3, etc. And WhatsApp communication, email communication, call, message, all types of communication is very effective. We are available at your service. And material theory, material practical will provide you. This you don't get online learning level, YouTube level. This you don't get, but we'll give you properly. And FAQs will provide you what to learn for interviews. And mock interviews also conducted for those interested. Just knowing Power BI is not sufficient. You need to know about your environment. So you may work in Fabric environment, Azure Data Factory environment, and Power Platform environment. So what are this? That understanding required for you. And I will take SQL sessions for 4 hours to give you awareness of database usage in Power BI. In case you want to know database uses in Power BI, this 4 hours helpful. But my recommendation, learn a whole course wherever you want to learn. And there are 9 topics which are very important. Prioritize those topics. And those only we use it. And directly, if you want to learn, it will take 20 days time. But without understanding overall SQL Server, you cannot go to this. And Power BI plus SQL is mandatory. Power BI plus SQL in case you want to enter into IT. And we will give you 2 near real-time projects to keep in the resume, to answer an interview, and multiple purposes. And multiple case studies too. And this is for the better hands-on. More hands-on required, more practical knowledge required, awareness required. The case studies are helpful for you. At the end of the course, you receive course completion certificate. And Power BI fully available with the cloud. So the cloud credentials you will get. When you learn online in many places, you will not get this. That means we will take 10 hours. The 10 hours practice is dull or dumb for you when you join for online and other places. So it will be dumb. You cannot do. But we will give you cloud credentials you can happily practice. But still, we have fast track, one-on-one weekend modes. Call contact on this number, they will let you know. But your intention is to work in IT and you have enough time, properly you want to go, then take normal track, 60 hours. So strong subject you get. And this is mandatory in case you want to try in IT. And after this, I explained yesterday, can AI replace Power BI? Because everyone has a doubt in their mind. AI, and it's booming. What about my career? Yeah, AI can't replace Power BI. And what is the position of Power BI in the current market? If I learn Power BI, will I sustain for some time? Absolutely. Microsoft is a leader in the analytics and BI for the last 17 years. A leader. It's a leader. Number one BI data analytical application. If number one application not having market, what about others? In the market data analytics and BI visualization level, first one Power BI. Next to Power BI, Tableau. And after that, Click. And later we have some other Google components and other reporting tools. But these are the top 3 reporting, and this is the number one. And the market of Power BI almost 48% now. Remaining 52% shared by more than 20 tools. So more market for Power BI. You can Google it and you can see, or you can ask AI and see what is the percentage of projects Power BI has. So I gave confidence yesterday with the market share and AI replacing. Later I explained what is Power BI, data, data engineering, data analysis, Power BI usage area, etc. And Power BI components is pending. And from here I will start up. And I explained about Power BI with 3 definitions. The general saying is it's a reporting tool or business intelligence tool, data analytical tool, data visualization tool. This is the one generally people say, but it is beyond that. Definition 1, simple definition, powering BI, adding more power to existing BI. So Power BI will take data, generate reports, dashboards, scorecards. So this is your input and this is your output. Next, definition 2. Power BI is a versatile application suitable for visualization in multiple area, report development level, business intelligence level, data analysis level. Some people say only for data analysis. It's wrong. Due to lack of knowledge, technical in-depth as they don't have, they say like it is a data analytical application. It is for general reporting, business intelligence reporting, data analytical reporting, data science reporting, and real-time analytics. And yesterday I explained this and this clearly. And we have a touch base of this yesterday. And it's the definition of Microsoft and pure technical definition. It's a low code application, self-service application, end-to-end we can do, cloud and on-premises application, reports, dashboards, scorecard generative application, and report level paginated, non-paginated, analytical, real-time intelligence. This reporting will do it. This is about the definition. Later I showed you. I'll go to usage area. This usage area I explain. Power BI, what are the areas we use? As a report developer, BA developer, data analyst, data scientist, fabric resource, etc. If I spend your time, if I spend the time for this, again, your time will be wasted, may not be fruitful. I will share the video with you. The people who are new and join today fresh, kindly go through. I will start from Power BI components today. So this is the second demo agenda. Demo 2 agenda. I will explain Power BI reports. So this is second demo agenda. First, Power BI report, Power BI component, Power BI architecture, Power one case study, software installation, end-to-end practice. Till 10:10 a.m. it will continue. 10:10 a.m. sharp stop. Kindly stay tuned. Because demo class, we cannot close exactly 1 hour. So might extend till 10:10 I will continue. Now ask your questions if anyone having questions. Who all just join, kindly fill your details. Let me continue. Stay tuned and ask me your questions. Very interesting. Slowly we go. And I told you yesterday, there are two types of reporting. How many types? Two types. First one, basic reporting, page-related reporting. Some people say basic reporting. It's the old reporting, traditional style of reporting, where the information like this. This is the basic reporting. Basic. We call it as page-related reporting. See, student ID, mode ID, location, actual fee. No analytical information. Not much analytical information. Just the records you are showing. These are 10 rows. How many rows? Again, when you click next, next 10 rows. Again, when you click next, next 10 rows. So page by page you see. So this is called page-related reporting or basic reporting or legacy reporting. Everyone clear? Since 40 available, guys. 9 since 40. This reporting. But popular 1990 onwards, this is popular. This reporting. Advanced reporting is non-page-related, basic and advanced. And Power BI kind of applications having this from 2013 onwards. So you see multiple visuals, visual, 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 visual. These are all visuals. And if you click on this location, respective information everywhere it will show you. This is cross highlighting, cross filtering. Even the value also respect to location value. So multiple visuals, no data division, no data division. Cross highlighting, cross filtering, and everything in a single area, and more information you can show. So these are the two types of reporting. And if you want to join in a company, 100% you need to join. So you need to learn both. I will give time for this to practice, and I will give time for this to practice both. Yes. So ask your questions on this if anyone having questions. Next part. Power BI components reports. Okay. So Power BI having 10 components and 4 concepts. Please see here. 10 components, 4 concepts. And this is the first component, Power BI Desktop. Non-paginated, you can say advanced reporting. And it uses these concepts: Power Query, Concept 1, Power Pivot, Concept 2, Concept 3, Concept 4. It uses these concepts and generate a report. Once the report is developed, companies take a decision. Where can they place it? Cloud or on-premise. In case of cloud, no installation process. No installation. Direct cloud URL, cloud account, and you connect and operate. So this is your cloud URL, and use your cloud account. You will connect to this, you will store it and manage it. So this is URL app.powerbi.com. However, Google Drive we connect, OneDrive we connect, the same way we connect to this with an account. We store and manage. Finally, customers can access, browse, take decisions. And 95% people follow this. They're not installing, directly using the cloud and account and operating. But 5% people not like that. They're installing it. They're installing server. Just a Windows account they are using. They're placing the reports and managing, asking customers to access, browse, and take decisions. 5% people. And similar kind of software available called Report Server Desktop with a little less features. So this Power BI Desktop for report development advanced, reports or desktop also report development advanced. And this is cloud, this is on-premise. 95.5. Mandatorily companies are using paginated component Power BI report builder. The basic reporting, the paginated reporting, report builder. This is the next component. And we have Power BI embedding topic, and this will help you placing reports in the social media, blog, web, etc. For example, your Power BI report, you want to show Facebook level. Power BI report, you want to show your company web portal level. In all these areas, this concept is helpful. And Power BI has many visuals, and you don't like the visuals. You want to create your own visuals, then go to Power BI developer. It's a component. Remember, it's a component which will help you to create your visuals. Next, gateway. Guys, this is your Hyderabad machine. Your report, you move to cloud USA. Here we have report. This Hyderabad data, I want to move to USA report, Hyderabad data. In between, we require an interface called gateway. So gateway will take the information from your on-premises and move to cloud. From your on-premises to cloud, if you want to move, then gateway is the concept required. Next, Power BI mobile. Through mobile, you can access, you can view, you can interact the business data. Via mobile, you can access, view, and interact. Last one, Copilot. It's the artificial intelligence feature. In Power BI level, we use a language called DAX. The DAX expressions system can write. The DAX expression system can explain. And also visuals, it will generate insights. So Copilot is an AI feature where DAX formulas it will write, DAX formulas it will explain, and also visuals and insights generated. This will boost up Power BI. That's the reason AI can't replace Power BI. There are 3 topics available in the Power BI AI topics. It will boost up and enhances the performance of Power BI. It will not replace. So these are the 10 components available in the Power BI. So what are the components we use in the real time and what you have seen in your working level? I worked on this more, even I worked on this also. When I worked with Bank of America, I worked on this server only. I use this and I use this also. And this page and report I use in the Bank of America company. Embedding I did in their websites level, I placed it. I did not use this. And recently I started using this recently. Gateway 100% required, this one for data movement. Power BI Mobile, this customer interface, end user understanding purpose, we need to have good knowledge on it. So you need to have knowledge on all these components. And but strong knowledge, desktop and cloud, these two strong knowledge, these two. Then how long I'm going to take, sir? This desktop classes I will take for 30 days. This I will take for 10 days. This I will take for 3 days. And this I will take for 2 days. And gateway I will take for 2 days. Embedding and this I will take for 2 days. Copilot 2 days. This I'm not covering. So this is the number of days. And in this 30 days, Power Query 10 days. Power Pivot 10 days. Power View and Map 10 days. Everyone clear? How many days I'm taking for each component? Yeah. So questions, please, before I go to next one. Right. See, AI features, if I started explaining, it will take time for you. So we'll discuss slowly in the regular classes. I'll explain each and every component in the regular class clearly. And this is end-to-end architecture of Power BI. Architecture. So components completed, this completed, this completed, architecture. So this is the data. Power BI desktop will bring, move to service or server, then customer and users. This is called end-to-end architecture. So data may be file, database, warehouse, cube, cloud, or any cloud source. Data may be. And Power Query is the concept. Power Query is the concept which will bring the data and transform the data. So extract data from multiple sources and transform data like append operation, merge operation, pivot operation, unpivot, concatenating. These all operations possible here. And data quality protocols also applied here. Power Query level, bringing data, transforming data, quality of data. Simply shaping. Once it is in proper shape. Okay, before I go for one more, if I don't, if the features are not sufficient, these and this, then you can use a language called mashup language or M language, which will help you to perform operations through coding. So transformation area level, you can use a language called mashup language, which will help you to perform customized operations, your own operations. Once the transformation is completed, either default one or through M code, we'll move to Power Pivot and model. Here we store it and establish relationships and also create calculations. So there are different types of storage modes, different types of relationships, calculations, security, everything. And here we take the support of a language called DAX. So this language knowledge is compulsory. And because of this only we call Power BI a low code application. DAX is a low code language. So we call it as a low code application Power BI. In case DAX also not available, Power BI is fully graphical application. Because of DAX only Power BI called as a low code. Next, once the calculation is ready, storage information ready, Power View and Map come into the picture to generate visuals. Normal visuals, map visuals you want to generate, we'll go to this. So once the report is developed, it will be moved to Power BI service or Power BI server. Either this or this. So 95% people follow service, 5% people follow server. So service in the sense no need to install. You just use your Power BI cloud with an account and operate. And the backend storage is Azure level. Which level? Azure. So Microsoft using Azure storage, that's why it is chargeable. From here, customers will access, browse, take decisions, maybe web, mobile, desktop. Similarly, server, the backend storage is SQL server level, it will store. Windows account is sufficient. And once you share to users, they will also access through multiple platforms and browse and take decisions. This is end-to-end process of Power BI architecture. Anyone having doubts? Ganesh, Aluri, Anil, Padmapriya, Piyush, Prashant, Praveen, Sri, Syed Jahangir. Good. Thank you, Praveen. Next part. We'll see case study. The end-to-end case study we'll see.
Hello, hi Vinay.
Yes, please.
Yeah, Srikanth Reddy here.
Yes,
Yeah, this
Srikant.
code for you mentioned low code, right? I think it's automated code generator or else if any custom code.
Low code, we need to write it. Even automatic generation also possible.
Yeah, okay.
Next. Good. So I need a decision-making system. For Vinay Tech House, where our business data, where yearly analysis and location analysis is possible. So you know about our business, guys. See, guys, this is my institute data. See, but I will go to data. You know about this institute business. What is a business? It's a training center. My institute is a training center. Training center, software training center only for software courses. First, students inquire, students attend demo. I'm briefing it. Join the course and complete the course. And different courses and different modes. Mode in the sense online, offline, customized, fast track, weekend, etc. This is a business. Now my management want to see which location more business, top locations for the business, top courses for the business, online versus offline joinings, last 3 quarters. This is the decision making information. How do we do it? This kind of decision making, how do we take it? So for that, we have some tables, the business data tables that we use it. Okay. Yeah. Now look at this, guys. This is one Excel sheet. I have inquiry stage. My stages information available here. I have student table. My students information available here. Who are all inquired. And date table, date information. Course table, course information. And location table, what are the locations we are operating? So these are called business tables. Which tables? Business tables. Where is the payment? So the combined payment information for this business in another table, sorry, another application, it is a comma separated value application here, CSV. So here is a place, Excel application, my business table is available. Payment information in this file available. It is a comma separate value file, dot CSV file. This is dot XLSX file. So for your classroom practice purpose, for a happy practice purpose, I'm taking this. But in the regular class, I will explain databases, cubes, cloud sources, and many more. Classroom practice purpose, this part. Fine. Let me open this file. It's a comma separate value file. Please see quickly. Student ID, course ID, mode. So this is a student, this is a course, this is the mode in stage 1, Hyderabad location, and reception ID, inquiry date, demo date, join date, course and date, course fee, paid fee, discount amount, tax amount. So these are all called textual references or business references. And this is business value. What is the course fee? 16,000, paid fee 15,000, discount value 10,000, sorry, 1,000, tax amount 450. Course fee, paid fee, no discount, tax 360. So these are called measures or facts. Simply payments, payment information. So these two sheets available. Now we need to analyze it. This and this. So that is the case study. So from the Vinay Tech business data, I require yearly analysis in one area, locations analysis in one area. And also when I click on year, I need to go to location and show respect to year end data, year and location information. So this is the case study I want to do. Show you, let me show you graphically. See this. This is my comma separate value file, and this is my Excel file. Simply Vinay Tech business files. And Power BI desktop is helpful to bring the data from this. It will extract, it will transform if it is not in proper shape, secure, so modeling, relationships, security adding, visualization, finally business intelligence data. So this desktop will perform all end-to-end. So this is called self-service business intelligence application. Everything you are doing it. And this will create two pages. One is yearly page, location page. When I click year here, it will go to location page and show respect to year and location data. Technically, this is called as drill through operation. Which operation? Drill through. So I want to create two pages and I want to have a drill through from this to this. So this is what I will do it here. But this you want to share it, you require Power BI service. And here cloud report storing, cloud report management takes place. app.powerbi.com is a cloud. Now, end users, vice president, subject matter expert, manager, executives, these people will take this information and they analyze the web, mobile, and tab. So I'm going to show this end-to-end process now. At least till this part I will show you. This part I will share it. I'll not open in the mobile and all. We don't have time. But how to share with the customers, I'll show you. So data onwards, till this part I will show you. Questions, please. Anyone having questions? Right. Now, guys. So what is required? The input is ready. We need Power BI desktop. How do we install? See, guys, very regular way. Google it. Power BI desktop download. You can go to Google or you can take ChatGPT or AI mode help, any help, Cloud AI, through any software you can download. Either AI assistants or Gen AI components, generative AI components, or Google search, you can get it. See Power BI Desktop download from Microsoft Official and Microsoft Power BI Desktop. So we will read this definition tomorrow and we'll understand this process tomorrow, like details, system requirement, installation requirement. I will open this. Windows 10 or 11 is good. This is standalone machine or your machines, and Windows Server 16 or 19 in the server machines. Either this or this. Now installation instruction, simply run the software. It's very simple, right? Google it and click download. Once you download it, it looks like this. See, this is the way it looks like. You just go to next, finish. But two prompts. First one, language of the interface, like Hindi language or English language, which language you want. Interface language. Second one, C drive or D drive to install. Third one, I accept license terms and conditions. Language, drive, I accept license terms and conditions. Sufficient. So once you complete your installation part, it will display a shortcut on your desktop. This is the one. So don't ask anyone regarding installation part. It's very simple. Go to AIS generative AI component or do normal regular Google search or bin search, download and install it. But this is one way. Second way is there. Go to Power BI Cloud. Guys, you can go to Power BI Cloud, app.powerbi.com. This is our Power BI Cloud. And here there is a download option. So this is download. Power BI Desktop. Cloud with an account, download, desktop. So this is recommended in the real time. I'll give you the account so that you can download and operate. Okay. So the software also ready. Then what to do? I will open it. So this is called main interface. We call it a quick startup page or get started page. So you want to create a blank report? Yes, this is blank report. Or you want to bring data from one lake and generate a report, Excel and generate a report. You want to bring data from SQL Server, generate report, you can start up directly. So this is called quick startup page, a get started page. There are many options here, but slowly I will explain. And from tomorrow onwards, we will move to this part. I'll explain for 10 minutes this area 10 minutes. But now I don't have time, I'm not explaining. I want to make the session meaningful. So what to do? Simple. Home, blank report. So you want to create from the scratch. So this is called main interface. Self-service interface. End-to-end we can do. Color blind friendly interface. Main interface, self-service interface, color blind friendly interface. And it has two areas. One is process area. Second one, tool items area. Two areas. So what is the process area? So this is the first process where we will bring the data. Second process, transform the data. Third process, relationships. Fourth process, security. Fifth process, visualization. So this is a process area. Each report pass through this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here the compulsory this one. But 2, 3, 4, if situation require, you go, otherwise you will ignore. If shaping required, relationship required, security required, we will go. In case not required, we'll skip. But data visualization compulsory. So data we need to bring, visualization compulsory. And there are many tool options available, guys. These are all options. And it will take 45 minutes to explain. 45 minutes. So I will explain this tomorrow. Tomorrow in the regular class, I will explain. Now I just work on this process. So first thing, it has process area, items and paints. I'm explaining only process, not the items. First item explanation we require, and then we'll practice. Right. So I don't like this English interface. I want Hindi interface. First option. Guys, go to file menu. What is this? Options and settings. I'm taking the interface Hindi. Options and settings. Options. Under options. Regional settings. In this area, you take Hindi. File menu. Options and settings. Options. Regional setting Hindi. Click OK. Ask you, Babu, application restart. Application restart means simply close it. Open again. Don't feel panic with the navigations. I will share the video and a very good practice document you can practice today. Guys, this was the document I share it with you so that you can practice today's example, the case study practice. See how to practice step by step, clearly available. Follow it. Don't ask anyone. Okay. If anyone interested. Other regular class we see anyway slowly. So what is the interface now? Hindi interface. Hindi. I'll click on this. I want to revert the changes to English. Yeah, I have seen people working with Japanese country, Spanish text, etc. So I explained it. Now first one, file menu. Here Vikalp are setting. Vikalp. Khetri setting. Instead of Hindi, Windows की English. Click ठीक है. Close. Again open it. So what to do now? Blank report. Simple, right? So if you practice 1 or 2 times, you remember forever. No, the people, I'm able to understand Hindi only. I want to type, I want to enjoy with Hindi language. Yeah, you can enjoy it. So companies won't ask. Yes, some people may ask. We don't know. Some countries, some locations, some states specific to Hindi, and people also understand Hindi. They may ask. You can't say always. That is called localization. Even programming language, applications, everything having localization, local language display. If you purchase a washing machine, on top of washing machine, English you see, and Japanese language, Japanese English, Spanish English, Netherlands English, Malaysian English, different types of English you will see. The same way here also. Product availability, product purchasability will increase. Right, sir. So today I'm going to explain the process only. This is the first one, bringing data, transforming, modeling, security, visualization. So simple, right? When you listen to the second time, you're feeling comfortable. If you listen 3 or 4 times, that's it. Every report follow the same process will follow. Now I'm going to bring the data first. So get data. See this? What is this? Excel workbook. And where is it? In the 2 demo classes, There is an Excel sheet. When I take business details, this Excel sheet, click open. Get data, browse to Excel. See, I will select the sheets. Course table, date table, location table, student table, inquiry status. These 5 tables required, I'm taking it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click load. Yeah, you can go to this. See, it opened this. This is called data area. 5 tables available. You want to see the data of this, go to table view, this view. I'm going to this view to see the table data. So click on this. So first course table showing, date table showing the data, location table. Yeah, column headings not proper. Column headings not proper, guys. And student table, okay. Inquiry stage table, again column headings not proper. So what to do? So since one, data ready, table view observed, not good. Same process you do. At least one, two reports you create. That's it. Remember forever. But don't feel panic when I'm navigating. It is new but not complex. Right. Transform data you click because column headings are not proper. I'm clicking transform data. See, this is the area we call it as Power Query area, transformation area. 10 days will work in the regular class. Don't worry. So when I click on this, it will open this. Many transformations available. Even you right click here, transformations. If you go to bar transformation, many transformations. But at this moment, one transformation is required for us. Course table appearing good, date table looking good, location table not looking good. I need to take this as column heading. So click on this, use first row as header. Student table looking good. Inquiry stage table, I want to take this as heading. Click on this, use first row as header. So here is the option, guys. I used it. Simple, right? Column headings taking is very simple. I'll go to location. For example, you want to split this address into 2 parts, flat number into one column, and remaining text into another column. Assume you want to split this into 2 parts, flat number separate, this separate. Then, so simple, right click, split column, split, yeah, right click, split column by separator, space, not space, comma. This is comma separator, leftmost, only left hand side most. So right click, split by delimiter, comma, leftmost separator, click OK. And I will double click here, flat number. Double click here, address. This is flat number, this is address. Now you can go to home area. I want to save the changes. Home area, click on this. No save. Here we have apply concept, and that is for saving. Close means simply close it. Apply means apply the changes. Close and apply means apply the changes and close. I'll go for close and apply. So when I click transform window, it opened a window. I performed 2 operations, I closed it. Now main window, again you return back. Main window. You go to table view. See, inquiry stage is good. Location also good. Those 2 table headings were not good, so we did it. Now they are good. Next. The next part is, so 1, 2 completed. Modeling. This is a model view. Why is a model? If these 2 tables you want to use on a visible, compulsory relationship between them required. If these three tables you are using on the visuals, relationship is required. So I will tell you on what basis we identify, but for the time being, we require one main table to retrieve. But here all our individual table, there's no payment table to connect. And where is our payment table? Get data. It's a text file. So click on text file. Now second file I'm bringing. This is a payment table. This is a payment table. Okay. Yeah. Payment table loading. Yes. Auto connected. See, I did not connect anything. I brought payment table. It is connected because it is having common column for many tables. Yeah. Now, if you want to arrange it properly, in the down, there is something called right now where we are in this area. And you go to it down this area, it will reset properly. This is the fact table. This is the columns it is showing. So I will zoom it bigger. See in the down only zoom option available. Everything here. I'll minimize this so that you will understand better. I'll zoom it less. See, I clicked on it. Fact table student and student table student connected. Correct. This is what expected. Fact table location, location table location connected. Yes. Fact table course ID, course table course ID connected. Yes. Fact table stage and course table stage connected. Correct. This is what automatically connected. Why it is connected? If not connected, what we need to do, that I will tell you in the class. This modeling part 5 days I will take. 5 days. Theory and practical 5 days. Now this is a date I need to come to this demo date. For example, drag and drop is one way. Drag here and drop. In case you can't drag and drop, then right click, manage relationships, new relationship. Here date table date date with fact table demo date with fact table demo date. Click here, close, connected. So fact table surrounded by dimensions and all connected. This is called star schema. What do you call it? So fact table surrounded by dimensions and looking like a star. So this is star, right? Generally we call it a star, looking like a star. So this is called star relationship or star schema. What do we call it? Star relationship or star schema. Next. So once the modeling completed, don't worry, I'll explain this in detail later. Then security. This security I'm not talking about, guys. It will take some time, but I'm not explaining. I will go to visualization. This visualization area, people call it as canvas area. 10:10 a.m. I will stop it. Kindly stay tuned. Right. This is a visualization area. Let me go to, firstly, how do we use visual? Always identify the visual first. This is the first job. Data next, second job. And third one, formatting. Formatting third. These three operations we have to perform. Visual data format. For each visual, this is required. So let me take, guys. Firstly, I will take a bar chart. Sorry, this is page. The down page available. I'll take yearly analysis. Second one, I'll take here locations analysis. Now yearly. I'll take a bar. This is a bar visual. First, I'm taking this. Second, fields. Y-axis, I will take. X-axis, I will take. These two only. Y-axis level, click add data. I want year because yearly analysis. Click X-axis level, I will take paid fee. Year-wise paid fee. So bar chart, year-wise paid fee. I don't want to format the colors and all. I don't want to format. So I'm not bothering about it. So if you export bigger, you can see that. See, 18 bigger value, bigger bar, more value, 19 little less, and 20 little less, 21, 22. You are able to compare more or less. Next, after this, I'll take a pie chart. So say second one, I'm taking this pie chart. Now legend. So when do we go? That is a different part. So here values only you will see, and percentage you want to see, then go to this. I will go for year, value level paid fee, year wise paid fee. So if you go here, you can see this is 19 year 16.81 percentage, 20 year 16.63%, and 21 year 16.58, and 17 year 16.26, and 22 year 16%. So each year the percentage of the business you are able to see. Simple, right? Visible and fields. Year wise value and percentage. I will take a table visual. This is a table, and column level, date level, year. So table, yeah. When it's coming sum, you don't want the arrow mark. Click on sum to don't summarize. Yeah, next one I will click on this fact table, paid fee. I will click on this fact table, course fee. Explore bigger. See, so there is something called focus mode. You click on it, it will show you alone in a bigger view. All of you okay? Great. I'm closing this. Next, I want to take a filter. Just I will go to a slicer. There is something called slicer. This is slicer. Asking field level year. Slicer year. So it will show you like this. So user can enter two values. Accordingly, it will show. But I don't want this. I want list format. So go to formatting and the slicer settings. Here in this area, list available. Don't worry. I clicked formatting. This I clicked. And then it is opening this format area, slicer settings, options of list I mentioned. So this is list. Now, so what happens, sir? You don't worry much about this. If I click 20, 20 data everywhere, press Control and 21, 21 data, user selection. Press Control and select this. You want to clear off, clear off. A beautiful interaction, right? Whatever the year required, multiple years required. Not only this one, even you click on this, accordingly it will show everywhere. Cross highlighting, cross filtering. If you click on it accordingly, even if you click on this, accordingly it will show. So yes, so visuals automatically interacted and filter based interaction. This is yearly page. Now locations page. So whatever the business data you require, customer will tell you and you need to take it. This is a locations page, and I'm taking a donut chart. Just for knowledge, one of the chart. This will show you percentages, but inner whole it will give you for total value. Inner whole it will give you for total value or any operation, other image, other visual you can take in the inner whole. So legend I'm taking location ID, location name. Value I'm taking fact table, paid fee. Location name and paid fee. And if you go to focus mode, yeah, see, this is the location more value Hyderabad. And this is Mumbai location, second highest, third highest, 13%, like this. Even you want to show something, you can show. Next, I will show a table or matrix. I'll take matrix visual, and row level, I will take year or locations, row level locations. And column level, I will take year. So location, year, location, year. Value level, I will take paid fee. Location wise, year wise, paid fee. Bangalore location, 20, 21, 22 having business and value, total Bangalore value. Chennai location, these years having value and total value. And 20 total all locations value. 22 all locations value. Superb, right? Like this, you can create. Take any visual, take data and fill. So simple job. Don't bother about the report complexity, simple job. And my last one, when I click year here, I want to go to location and show respective data. So go to locations page, formation. How simple it is. Go to locations page, formation, page information. Here you mention drill through. This is the page people will go. So drill through. Drill through from where? And go to this, take year column. Here I want to filter. How? Year category. Category. So these three settings you need to take. Go to locations, formation, and the formation level. First setting page, second setting filter, third setting category. Sufficient. Three settings will do beautiful operation. As soon as you take drill through, it will add one extra button called back button. Automatically system will add, because you will come to this. Again, to go back, you require button. When you come to this, to go back, you require a button. This will help you. Yes, communication between sheets. I did, sir. 1, 2, 3. Don't worry. Look at this. So go to yearly page. Sorry, this I will place in between or down. I did not take system taken when you mentioned drill through. So go to yearly page, right click on 20, drill through, locations analysis. See, it's showing locations, 20 data only showing. All locations 20. You want to go back, control enter to go back. Click on the back button, control enter to go back. Even here, 2018, right click any visual, drill through locations. Showing locations value. That location information only it is showing. So not location, that year information only is showing. 18, only 2 locations operated. 18 locations only. You want to go back, control enter. So this is how simply reports will create and decision making we do in Power BI. Understand? Now I want to save this. File menu, save. Give me a moment, 1 minute. I will close it. 8 a.m. Anywhere. Demo report on 14th July 25. So 26. See, what is the extension of it? PBIX is the extension. So Power BI report extension is PBIX, and Word document with .xlsx, sorry, Excel XLSX, Word document with DOCX, PPT with PPTX. The same way this is external PBIX. Excel application XLSX, Word with DOCX, and PPT with PPTX, and this is Power BI extension. Click save, done. So desktop level, easily we are able to create a report. I brought the data, transformed it, modeled it, and a visualization possible. I'm closing it, done. And where is it? only 1 minute, batches, 8 a.m. And this is a report ready, desktop document. But this you need to share with the customer. We never share this with the customer directly. Either you need to keep in the cloud or server. This we can't share, guys. So how to access cloud? I told you app.powerbi.com. Correct, app.powerbi.com. And there is an account here. I will go to workspace. And this is a working area. Don't worry what is working area and all. I will explain later. Work area. And then I'll go to, yeah, these are all the projects I explained for the class. You will see complex projects like this. Right now, a demo level explain a very simple one, but regular class, very complex reports like this, you will see. It's loading, taking time also. I will go to workspace. Let's take. So you will see complex reports like this with many visuals, many interactions in the classroom. Okay, don't worry. This is one project, one student created. And we will also move to cloud. I'll take a folder, demo report. Click create. And I will upload. See, import report from this computer. Where is that? Batches 8 a.m. and a demo report. So we'll go to cloud and we'll upload it. From here, we will share it. It's taking time, guys. Ayo. Usually it will not take this much time, guys. Okay. Once we upload report to this, then only we'll share it. So the sharing option I'll show you with other reports or any other report. So take any report. Maybe the server busy today. Only 1 minute. Demo report not yet available. So guys, there is an option called share here, cloud level. Once you upload the report, there is an option called share. We mention who we need to share. V underscore some 30 some user. Click send. Then it will be shared to the user. Or you want to subscribe and share. This is subscription and sharing. I'm canceling this. Subscription means you will put a time schedule, name, at what time you want to share, schedule time, or you want to share with PDF, PPT, etc. Export, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF sharing. The report in these format sharing. Or you want to share a QR code. This is a QR code. Generate a QR code and share. They can scan and see. They can scan from the mobile or tab and see. Or you want to show the report on the SharePoint level. You click on it. There's a link. Share with them. They can see in the SharePoint. If they want to place the report in the website level, blog level, website or portal. So the links available, if you provide them, the report visible in the website and blog. Like this, without cloud, the report sharing, service providing not possible. So this understanding 10 hours I will give you. And your Power BI learning is not fruitful without having good knowledge on this, because this is the ultimate one, important one. It requires charge. The previous desktop do not require any charge. It only requires charge. This do not require any charge. Anybody can use it, but you want to share and you want to use it, charge is compulsory. So this is the end-to-end process I explained today. Files, desktop, easy report preparation, easy sharing, so easy placing and sharing. And whatever the content I planned successfully completed today. So demo 1, demo 2 successfully completed. And from tomorrow onwards, regular classes, you can join from tomorrow. So speak with the reception and join. And this is my contact number. I'm sharing it with you. You can call me in these timings. Everyone, my mobile number, contact time. And whatever we mentioned, the details, the same details we follow, 50 to 60 hours, daily 1 hour, basics to advanced, and more than enough for your interviews, working perspective, and real-time operations perspective. And videos you will get, materials you will get, everything you get. What all you need is having patience, attending all the sessions, learning properly, and asking doubts. So conclusion, if you're looking for an institute with Power BI detailed subject from basics to advanced, easy and simple way of learning, this institute and course curriculum is good for you. Sufficient to face interviews and work in the real time. No need to learn other materials and except for guidance. If you want to take some guidance, you take it from your friends. Sufficient for interviews and to work on multiple projects. So 2 demos I plan and 2 demos content I explain. And component wise, how long I'm going to spend, I clearly mentioned. Even I shared this one yesterday. Kindly look into. Tomorrow onwards, basics I will start up. Kindly speak with the reception and start up. 9 to 10 sharp, no delay, 9 to 10 sharp. Demos, we cannot close sharp timing due to multiple people question, but regular classes will stop sharply 10 o'clock.